Papa help you?
We got this.
Be nice.
We got Batman. And this one, Kim.
Oh, here it is. This one I thought was funny.
I got a funny one too.
I remember this one.
Must.
Most of the people that drive me nuts are in my family.
Nice.
This one I got.
Hey man, I got your back.
Tell Papa what we got.
Cute.
Be nice. Wait, Gibby, you got one more for Nana and Papa. Come here.
Let me see. Let me see if we can show this one. Grab one. Let me see. This is cute, huh?
We almost got him.
Aww.
And I was like, let me wait.
Nice.
And then Tisa showed me, and I was like, oh, come here and get it. Well, I already know I want to get him. If Tisa said it, I'm going to steal her idea. You just gotta wait.
Okay. Gibby, you got one more.
What was it?
Remember you said the Buzz Lightyear in the Woody?
Go give that to him.
I want to go to the Disney store and get him the big.
Gabriel, Nana has your gift from Nana and Papa.
That's not like Buzz Lightyear.